Hi, friends! We are going to be brave mathematicians today. But before we get started, let's warm up with some counting practice. We are going to practice counting to 100 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Great job! Now that we're all warmed up, we are ready to learn. Let's get started. We are going to use this balance scale to help us compare the weights of some different objects. To start, what do you know about the word weight? What do you think it means to measure weight? When you are measuring weight, you will use words such as heavier or lighter to describe the weight. If the object is heavier, it will be close to the ground. If the object is lighter, it will be up in the air. We are going to use the scale to check the weights of different objects. I want you to show me with your arms how you think the scale will look after I've put the objects on each side of the scale. We are going to measure the weight of these two objects, a yellow cube and a group of blue cubes. Which do you think is heavier? Which do you think is lighter? Now let's find out which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest. What do you notice? The blue group of cubes is heavier. It's almost touching the ground. The yellow cube is lighter. It's still up in the air. We will use these mats to organize the different objects that we weigh. Take a moment to look at the mats. What do you think the labels say? One mat has a picture of a mouse. This label says lighter. The other mat has a picture of an elephant. This mat says heavier. Now we are going to measure the weight of these two objects, a group of orange cubes and a hexagon. Which do you think is lighter? Which do you think is heavier? Let's find out which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest. What do you notice? The group of orange cubes is heavier, and the hexagon is lighter. Let's look at our mats again. Now we have two objects that are lighter and two objects that are heavier. Let's measure the weight of these two objects now, a dandelion and a pine cone. Which do you think is heavier? Which do you think is lighter? Now let's see which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest. What do you notice? The pine cone is heavier. The scale almost touches the ground. The dandelion is lighter. It's still up in the air. Let's check our mats again. Now we have 3 objects that are lighter and 3 objects that are heavier. Let's measure the weight of these 2 objects, a wooden block and a rectangle. Which do you think is heavier? Which do you think is lighter? Let's find out which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest. What do you notice? The wooden block is heavier and the rectangle is lighter. Let's look at our mats again. Now we have 4 objects that are lighter and 4 objects that are heavier. Now let's measure the weight of these 2 objects, a rock and a stick. Which do you think is heavier? Which do you think is lighter? Now let's see which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest. What do you notice? The rock is heavier and the stick is lighter. Let's look at our mats again. Now we have 5 objects that are lighter and 5 objects that are heavier. I hope you had fun measuring and comparing weight today. You can practice comparing weight too, even if you don't have a scale. Choose 2 safe objects and place one in each hand. Which one feels heavier? Which one feels lighter? Have fun! See you next time! Bye, friends!